Scene start music, low, bass-heavy cinematic build-up. Mark Tilbury stands in front of a sleek, dark background, arms crossed, looking directly into the lens. Listen up. Stop scrolling. Put your phone down. Actually, don't put it down, but stop being a spectator. Most of you are watching your life pass by like it's a boring film you didn't even pay for. You're broke, you're frustrated, and you think the game is rigged. Well, I've got news for you. The game isn't rigged. You just don't know the rules. Today, I'm going to spend the next hour breaking down exactly how to go from absolutely zero, nothing, zip, nada, to $1 million. And I'm not talking about some get-rich-quick scheme or some magic crypto coin. I'm talking about the cold, hard, psychological and strategic blueprint that took me from a school dropout to a self-made millionaire. If you aren't prepared to sit through this entire hour, then quite frankly, you don't deserve the million. Go back to your 9 to 5 and keep complaining. But if you're ready to change your DNA, let's get into it. Part 1, the broke mindset versus the millionaire mindset 0010. Before we talk about money, we have to talk about your brain. Your brain is currently programmed for poverty. You think money is the root of all evil? Wrong. The lack of money is the root of misery. The biggest lie you've been told is that you need money to make money. That's rubbish. If you have no money, you have something far more valuable, time and desperation. Use them. The broke mindset views $100 as a pair of trainers. The millionaire mindset views $100 as a seed that can grow into a forest. You need to stop being a consumer and start being a producer. Every time you buy something, ask yourself, who is getting rich off me right now? Phase 1 of this hour is simple. Total financial detox. Stop spending on things that lose value the moment you walk out of the shop. If you can't buy it twice, you can't afford it. Part 2. The $0 to $10,000 strategy, the skill acquisition. Tens, 0, 20, 0. You have $0. You can't invest in the S&P 500. You can't buy real estate. You need active income. The first $10,000 is the hardest because you are the engine. You need a high-value skill, HVS. Don't go to university for 4 years and get 50 grand in debt. Look at the market. What do people need right now? Digital marketing, high-ticket sales, content creation, editing, coding, AI integration, pick one. Spend the next 30 days obsessively learning it for free on the internet. Then you find whales, people like me, who have more money than time. You offer to solve a problem for them. You don't ask for a job. You offer a result. Mark, I noticed your emails are boring. I wrote 5 new ones for you. If you like them, pay me. If not, no worries. That is how you get your foot in the door. Once you have one client, you have a business. Your goal here isn't to be comfortable. It's to stack every single penny. Live on beans and toast if you have to. We are building a war chest. Part 3. The scale from $10,000 to $100,000, 20 SARO, 35 SARO. Now you have some cash. Most people stop here. They buy a BMW on finance and stay stuck in the middle class forever. Don't be that person. To get to $100, you have to stop doing and start delegating. You are no longer a freelancer. You are a founder. You hire someone cheaper than you to do the grunt work while you focus on sales and strategy. This is the execution phase. You need systems. 1. Lead generation. How do people find you? 2. Conversion. How do you turn them into paying customers? 3. Delivery. How do you give them such a good result they never leave? Double down on what works. If you made $10 doing one thing, do it 10 times more. Don't get distracted by shiny object syndrome. Stick to the plan. Part 4. The multiplier from $100,000 to $1 million, 35, 0, 50. SAL. This is where the magic happens. This is where we move from working for money to money working for us. At $100,000, your tax bill is going to hurt. You need to understand corporate structures. You need to reinvest 70% of your profits back into the business or into asymmetrical asset. We talk about the wealth triad. 1, the cash cow your business. 2, the safe haven, index funds, ETF, the boring stuff that makes you rich while you sleep. 3, the legacy, real estate hard assets at this stage. You aren't looking for 10% returns. You are looking for leverage. You use other people's money, other people's time, and other people's talent. I'll let you in on a millionaire secret. We don't work harder than you. We just have better systems. A person working 80 hours a week at a supermarket will never be a millionaire. A person working 4 hours a week managing a high-leverage portfolio will. High five. The Millionaire Secrets. 55550. Here is what they don't teach you in school. Networking is net worth. Surround yourself with people who talk about ideas, not people. If you're the smartest person in the room, you're in the wrong room. Speed of implementation. When you have an idea, act on it within 24 hours. Perfection is the enemy of profit. Saying no. As you get richer, people will try to steal your time. Your no is more powerful than your yes. Part 6. The result, your new life, 5560 amigo. Look at you. This started with $0. You learned a skill, you built a business, you scaled it, and you invested the profits. $1 million isn't just a number in a bank account. It's freedom. It's the ability to wake up and do whatever you want, with whoever you want, for as long as you want. But remember, money only makes you more of who you already are. If you were a jerk when you were broke, you'll be a bigger jerk when you're rich. If you were generous, you'll be a philanthropist. The blueprint is in your hands now. I've given you the map, I've shown you the pitfalls, but I can't walk the path for you. Are you going to be a spectator or are you going to be a player? Get to work. I'll see you at the top. Scene end.